Hey tech enthusiasts! Ready to dive into the next big thing from Samsung? The Galaxy S25 series has arrived, and it's already making waves in the tech world. But instead of just hearing about it, what if you could experience it? Today, we're bringing you an exclusive sneak peek at the 3D models of the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. Ready to explore? Let's jump right in. What's new in the Samsung Galaxy S25 series? For models to choose from, the Galaxy S25 series includes the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, Galaxy S25 Ultra, and the upcoming Galaxy S25 Edge. While the Edge isn't here yet, the other three are already available for pre-order. Premium features across the board. From top-notch cameras to cutting-edge processors, the S25 lineup offers something for everyone. Thanks to Samsung's partnership with Binkies 3D, you can now check out realistic 3D models of these phones. Why is this cool? You get to rotate, zoom, and explore every angle of the device right from your screen. How to access the 3D models? Visit our specs page. Head over to the specs page for the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or S25 Ultra. Click on Pictures. Scroll down to find the embedded 3D model. Explore with ease. On mobile, use your fingers to rotate or zoom. On desktop, use your mouse or scroll wheel for navigation. Samsung Galaxy S25 Overview. Storage options: 128 GB per 12 GB RAM, $799.99, 256 GB per 12 GB RAM, $809.99. Key features: smooth display, powerful processor, and sleek design. Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus Overview. Storage options: 256 GB per 12 GB RAM, $999.99, 512 GB per 12 GB RAM, $1,019.99. Key features: bigger display and extended battery life. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra Overview. Storage options: 256 GB per 12 GB RAM, $1,299.99, 512 GB per 12 GB RAM, $1,299.99. Key features: ultimate flagship experience with advanced camera features and premium build quality. Why explore the 3D models? See every detail, from color options to camera layouts. The 3D models reveal it all. Try before you buy. Get a feel for the phone without visiting a store. Interactive features: rotate, zoom, and view in full screen for an immersive experience. How to make the most of this feature? Switch between colors. Click on the color names to see how the phone looks in different shades. Use full screen mode. Tap the full screen icon for a more detailed view. Conclusion: the Samsung Galaxy S25 series is more than just a lineup of phones. It's a technological masterpiece. And with the 3D models, you can explore these devices like never before. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to the specs page and dive into the world of the Galaxy S25. FAQs. 1. How do I access the 3D models of the Galaxy S25 series? You can find the 3D models on the specs page of each phone. Simply click on Pictures and scroll down. 2. Can I view the 3D models on any device? Yes. The models work on mobile browsers, desktop browsers, and the Android app.